So we're now at the SAMA's booth in COMPUTEX 2025, and let's get started with what kind of products they have to offer right here. So starting off with their PC cases, they have divided their PC cases into 3 different series as what they have showcased here. The Z series is one of their key showcase right here, and it is a case with wooden design. As you can see, there's Z70, Z40 wooden accent, as well as Z60 also wooden accent. Very simple. The Z70 is, of course, is a much more bigger medium tower, and the Z40 is a small tower design. And then moving on to the V series. V series is focused on the glass and showcase aesthetics, as well as this is a V80, their flagship model, has a lot of angular design. As you can see from the front here, the glass, even you can see the radiator is mounted in a non-conventional angle. The cooler you see here is exclusive to the China market right now. And this product is not available in global market yet, but they are saying that they are working on different models for the global market right now. So while the V60, of course, is a smaller brother for the series, this one features tempered glass panels at the front and the side, where the front one has 2 side curved angles. This kind of glass is not cheap to make, and it comes equipped with 7 fans pre-installed. The V50 Lite is the usual tempered glass design, front and the side, and they have perforated bottoms, which will improve more airflow should you want to install fans or anything on the side as well. Again, V40, the entry model to the series, smaller, compact, just like the V50 Lite. Moving on to the S series. S series is like their standard cases. Very normal, with a front perforated panel, improve a lot of air intake for the cooling purposes. But the S30 is much more smaller with the front removable panel like this. The Aero, they have showcased quite a lot of models right here, but those are just prototypes. They are still working on the design, so we're not going to talk more about that. The L70 here is just like most of your 360 radiator AIO coolers, but with one difference is that they have included a 28mm thickness fan instead of the standard 25mm fans. So this is to ensure that the fan is capable of generating a lot of air pressure to push through the fins. I can feel that the air is really strong at the back here. But of course, this is something that you will need to take into consideration should you want to install it in your case, because the added 3mm thickness might get in touch with your VRM heat sinks. And moving on to the conventional air coolers, they have the A60 series, which has 3 different color options, but right now they only showcase 2 colors here. A60B is black, whereby they have black fins, black heat pipes to overall black in general. Then they have a metal top cover. A60 white is not available here because they have white fins and everything, while the A60E essential means that this is bare metal color. Meanwhile, the A40 is a single tower design. A40L is the light edition, which they have illuminated fans for this. While the black one is difficult to see, but all of the fans, they have this ring surrounding the fan. I believe they call this axial fan. Do correct me if I'm wrong. Then, of course, we have a smaller coolers like this, the X40L. Again, they use a 100mm fans instead of a 90mm fans. For the power supply, it's rather straightforward. They have the P series and G series. P stands for platinum and G stands for gold. They are all fully modular and it meets all the APX 3.5 and PCIe 5.1 specifications. The P series will use 100% Japanese capacitors, while the G series may use mixed Japanese, Taiwanese or even Chinese capacitors. So that's for our quick and brief introduction of the SAMA brand right now, and we hope to see this brand to come into Malaysia as well. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.